How-Tos with Holly. Today we are doing Valhalla Calling for the Squirrel God Ratataskar. We are going to do this fabulous line dance that I have simplified for your average squirrelets to get up and dance to. So come on with me, take adventure, dance adventure with the Squirrel God Ratataskar and Valhalla Calling line dance simplified. Step 1, heel, side, triple step on the right and the left. It looks like this. Heel, side, triple step, heel, side, quarter turn. Step 2, cha-cha step and half turn. It looks like this. Rock right, replace, side, close, side, quarter, turn, side, close, side. Step 3, toe, heel, and triple step. It looks like this. Toe, heel, triple step, toe, heel, triple step. Step 4, side rock, syncopated check, side rock, syncopated walk around turn. It looks like this. Side, replace, check, replace, side. Side, replace, about, face, close. Repeat from the top. When you put it all together, it looks like this. Squirrels are a common part of life and a tool that I teach with every day. For many years, my students have brought me squirrels and told me about famous squirrels like President Roosevelt's squirrel, Pete, for Pete's sake, Marvel Comics Squirrel Girl, and recently Ratataskar, the Norse Squirrel God. For Squirrel Appreciation Day, I simplified Valhalla Calling line dance for the Norse Squirrel God Ratataskar. Norse mythology centers around the tree of Yggdrasil. At the top is the eagle, and at the root is the serpent, Nigrahar. From the treetop to root, the squirrel Ratataskar delivers messages from eagle to serpent and back again. The squirrel has appeared in Squirrel Girl episodes as well as the God of War. This makes Ratataskar my top pick for famous squirrels to feature in my dance on Squirrel Appreciation Day, January 21st. In Norse mythology, Valhalla is the ancient hall where the fallen Norse warriors spend the afterlife. The musical group Miracle Sound was inspired by Vikings in the Norse legends. They spent copious time researching the Norse mythology to create this composition that pays homage to Viking warriors and their quest for eternal glory. It is also my inspiration for a Squirrel God line dance. I saw the Claudia Art line dance and was inspired to simplify it to fit my line dance class. So enjoy dancing this Squirrel God Ratataskar Valhalla Calling line dance. And remember to like and subscribe to our line below and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com.